Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Drive on your phone in just 3 minutes. You'll learn how to upload, edit, and share files, plus how to set permissions. All right, let's get started. Just open the Drive app, sign in with your Google account, and here we go. If you look right here at the top left corner, click this menu. Here you get 15 gigabytes of free storage, and you can save almost anything. All right, let's start with the most common thing. Uploading files. If you look down at the bottom right corner, you'll see a big plus button. Go ahead and tap that. From the menu, choose Upload, then select what you want, photos and videos, or tap Browse to upload other files. Now pick any file from your phone, maybe a photo, a PDF, or a video, then click Upload, and Drive will automatically upload it to your cloud storage. When it's done, just pull down to refresh. It'll show up right here on your main Drive screen. Next, let's see how to create a new file directly inside the app. Tap the same plus button, and this time choose Google Docs, Sheets, or Slides, whichever you need. Watch what happens. It opens the Google Docs app automatically so that you can type, edit, and save right from your phone. Give your document a name, tap Create, and start typing. When you're done, just hit the check mark to save it. Now let's move to the Drive app. The best part? It's saved automatically in Drive, so you'll never lose your work. All right, now let's share that file with someone. Find the file you want to share, then tap the 3 dots next to it. You'll see a few options, and at the top, there's Share. Tap it to add people by email or send an invite directly. Before you share it, make sure to check the permissions here. If you don't remember their email, like me, just go back, tap the 3 dots again, then choose Copy Link and send it directly. When your friend opens the link, they might request access and you'll need to approve it first. Where is this? To do that, open the same menu again, tap Manage Access, and you'll see their request waiting there. Just approve it and they're in. Finally, under Manage Access, make sure to check this part here. If it says restricted, that means only specific people can open the file. If you want anyone with the link to access it, tap here and change it to anyone with the link. Next, let's talk about keeping things organized. Tap the plus button again and select Folder. Give it a clear name, like school, work, or personal. To organize your files, first go to the Files tab at the bottom. Then just long press the file and drag it right into the folder you created. Simple, right? Now, let's say you want to delete something. On the Files tab, just tap the 3 dots next to the file and select Remove. That sends it to your trash folder, so don't worry, it's not gone yet. If you ever change your mind, you can open the trash from the side menu, then choose Trash here. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.